Welcome, I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Start to relax and unwind. And when you're ready, I'd like you to close your eyes. As you settle into your body and bring your full attention to relaxation. Bring your awareness now to your breath. Take a deep breath in and release it fully. As you go deeper into relaxation, I'd like you to take another deep breath, but this time hold it when you're completely full of air. Hold and then let it out. Breathe in and out as you relax deeper and become more calm and centered. I'd like you to take another deep breath as you let it settle back into your normal flow, in and out, as you relax even deeper. Bring your full attention to this very moment. Allow yourself to feel your entire body at once. Get a sense of your entire body and follow your breath as it goes in and out of your body. Take a moment to tune into how you are feeling. Take a moment to feel what you are feeling. Are there any emotions rising to the surface to be acknowledged? Fully accept and acknowledge anything that comes up without judgment. Just allow yourself to be you. Allow yourself to feel what you feel. We are now creating a space for your thoughts. Watch your thoughts as they come in and out. Let them flow in and out of your mind. Breathe in and allow yourself to relax even deeper. Notice your body. Observe how your body feels in this moment, without judgment, but complete allowing of you, yourself, and your feelings. If you feel any discomfort, take a deep breath and breathe into that area and blow it away gently. Observe how your shoulders feel. Relax them. Observe your tummy, your chest, and your hands. Breathe relaxation into them. Notice how you are feeling. Allow yourself the space just to be. Now that you have a sense of how you are feeling, bring your attention back to your breathing. Just notice how it feels to breathe in and out. Allow yourself to relax more deeply. Take a moment to tune in to how you're feeling now. Take this moment to feel what you're feeling. Are there any emotions rising to the surface? If so, fully accept and acknowledge them without judgment. Give yourself the space just to be. Just to be you. Breathe in and allow yourself to relax. Allow yourself to feel your entire body at once. Follow your breath as it goes in and out of your body. Allow the feeling of compassion, understanding, and recognition to radiate out into your body. Allow yourself to feel the comfort and peace that you have created. Well done for giving yourself some well-deserved you time. You are your own best friend, and you can nurture and respect yourself through mindful meditation. Allow yourself now to relax back into your day-to-day space. Bring your attention back into the room. slowly move your fingers and toes and open your eyes. I wish you a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe and share any comments of other meditations that you would also like to see. With love, Helene.